Hey launchers, Matty Boy here, and in this video we're going to take a look at making some videos for your product listings using Placeit. I'm also going to be using a video resizer to square them off, so it's completely optional, and you can take from it what you want and make your own videos and stuff. So Placeit does have some pros and cons. It's a little bit time consuming to do this, and if you've got hundreds of listings then it would take you a very long time. But to make video mock-ups of things like t-shirts and stuff is extremely difficult. So on one hand it's simple to do, but on the other hand it's a little bit time consuming. So here I am in Placeit. Also, Placeit is a paid subscription service, so you'd have to have a subscription with them. I think it's around $17 a month. So all I'm going to do is type in t-shirt video mockup. Now they got lots of video mockups. They got ad video mockups as well, which you could dig into and have a look at that. But I'm just going to do a basic t-shirt one for now, and I'll show you how you can take them a little bit deeper. So now they've got like really tall ones and landscape ones as well. So I'm going to show you how to square these videos. So as you get into it, just if you are going to be squaring them, you want to bear in mind which type of video that you go for. Some will work better squared, some won't, and you'll see what I mean when I get to it. So let's just try this one to save me digging through them. So all you need to do is click them. It brings you into the video editor here, okay, and then we can add our image. So from here, this drop down menu, I'm going to use a recently uploaded just so it's a bit quicker, but we can upload from your local computer, or you can import from downloads. To be honest, I've never used that import from downloads, so I'm not sure what that is, but for speed I'm just going to click use a recent one that I've recently uploaded. Okay, so hopefully this will hurry up. Usually it's pretty fast. I think it's just because I'm recording, so let's just hit that one. Okay, now like I said, it does take some time. You get the opportunity to position your design and you just put that in. Like I say, it does take a little bit of time because he has to kind of work in the background, which is completely understandable, because if you've ever tried doing this on a real video, it is extremely difficult. Okay, so it's previewing you there, and I've got a design that should actually be on a black t-shirt. So let's change the shirt color over here from this drop down, so we can see the design a little bit better. Yes, all good. Okay, let's close that. Now you can preview it down here, or we can also add another one. So, and you can add lots. So I'm just going to add one more just to show you that we can add more. And let's just see. We have a search option. We want a t-shirt. Now you could mix these up as well if you wanted to make like a promo video. So I've just added that. Then each one of these slides you add, you actually need to add the image as well. So I'm going to go for the recently uploaded again. Okay, and add that one. And change the shirt. Oops, forgot about that part. Hit crop, and then let's change the shirt color to black. Have a see what our preview is looking like, and it's still cropping it. Okay, that's done. So let's just close this. Now you can also move these slides around, so if you want to reposition them you can. Before you actually save it or download it, you have to always hit play slides down here. So again, this takes a minute or so for it to just render out. So I may just pause the video for a second. Okay, so that just uploaded. I carried on recording and it auto-played. Now the song there is awful. So let's see if we can't replace this song. I've never done this before, but that was horrible. Okay, not the best one, but definitely a lot better than the other one. So it looks like I've got to play it again to render this. Okay, so we'll go with that. But like I say, you can play around with it a little bit more. I'm just going to go ahead and hit download. Okay, so the download's processing, and let's go across to my downloads up here and click view all, and then we can just wait for that to download. So what I'm going to show you now is resizing it. Again, totally optional. I like to have all my thumbnails exactly the same size. I think it looks messy when they're all different. So while that's just rendering out, here we have Clidio Video Resizer Online. This is a free video resizing tool, and with these kind of free things like that, they can go pop at any moment. So if you get to this video and this is no longer here or not working or anything like that, just Google free video resizer online, and there'll be a ton more that you can use. They're probably one a penny. So just keep waiting for this for a tiny bit longer. I'll just pause it for a moment. Okay, so that did take a couple of minutes to download. So I'm going to now render. So I'm now going to download it to my local computer here. Hopefully that's not going to take too long. And I will also show you how it looks on the Launchkart store, cropped and uncropped. So here we go, over to the video resizer and hit choose file. Oh, or can we just drag and drop? Nope, we have to browse the computer for it. So let's go across to my downloads. Here it is. I'm gonna select the video, hit open. Okay, now we wait again for it to upload. Okay, here we go. So what we're going to do is choose the size. So from the from this feed landscape drop down, we just want square. Let's just see if we got any other options there. I thought I had a feed square. Sorry, missed that. Okay, then we can use this option here, which is fill. So if you remember when I said about when you're actually looking for these, remember if you've got a tall one that's filling up, you know, if the model is real close from top to bottom there, when you square them off, it's not going to fit in the canvas very well. So you can have a preview of it. You can also use this if you need to, and you can nudge it up and down or left and right. So if it is a little off, you can do that. You can preview it. Once you're happy with it, just go ahead and hit export. Okay, so now we've got another wait. Okay, so now I'm going to hit download. That's rendered that one out, and now we have our video. So what we're going to do is just go back to Launchkart here, and we're going to add this to our listing. Now remember, you could take this videos or these videos and upload them to your YouTube channel, and then upload your YouTube video here by clicking embed YouTube and getting the URL. And just on a side note, if you do that, then remember, if you've got your Google Ads linked up to your YouTube account, you'll also be tracking those people as well. So you can use that for retargeting with Google Ads and stuff, and video ads. So I'm just going to drag and drop that video straight in. We're going to have a quick look at it. So this video is hosted on Launchkart and not on YouTube. So this is the square one coming in. As soon as this is uploaded, I'll upload the other one, or we'll have a quick look at it, and then we'll upload the tool one, and you can see, oh no, let's upload it now, or let's just drag and drop it in. So with the MP4 videos, you can have multiple MP4 videos. If you're using YouTube embed, you can only have one YouTube embed at a time. Okay, so this one uploaded now is the taller one. I'll just pause it for a moment. Okay, so that tool one took a lot longer to upload. Obviously a lot more information in that one, so let's compare the quality of these two as well. So save that. Let's go back to the listing, refresh the page. We should have our square one in first position. Okay, so here's our squared off one. Okay, we get the idea there. Let's take a look at our tool one here. So as you can see, if we're using the tool one, it's taking up a lot more space on the page, and the video does look great, but I'd recommend, if you're using just image mockups as well, whatever you go with, I would keep them all the same. So let's just have a look and see if the quality is a lot better on this one. Yeah, pretty good, but I would say there's not much difference in the quality there. So if you do square them, they're a lot faster to upload. Personally, myself, this is just a demo store, yeah, but I'll show you some that I already did.
I can't do that.
Oops. I'll show you some that I already did. And what I did was just kept them to one clip on the Placeit, so it was quicker. And I put them in second place, and as you can see, I've squared them so everything looks the same. So when somebody clicks this, they go to what. So as you can see, it's just a short, quick video, but it looks much neater and tidier on your store when they're all the same size. Okay, hopefully that helps you out, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks guys, bye for now.